almost every plants, animals on this planet have circadian rhythm, so which are 24 hours timetable of every single gene, hormones, metabolites, everything going up and down. And that really helps us to adapt to these 24-hour cycles of light and darkness, warm and coolness, and presence of food or absence of food, of predators and prey.
Do you think there are two stages of sleep in which our body actually goes to relaxation and wake up, or there is one uninterrupted sleep which has got the maximum value?
If you go back to even in India, some of the rural population, my grandfather was a farmer. He would actually go to the field, come back. He was very tired. So in the evening, he would go for a evening nap. And by 9 o'clock, he would wake up, have his dinner, and then go back to sleep. I think that might have happened in many cultures, in many places, because of the lack of light in the evening. And it was expensive to light up.
Is there some sensing technology that can give you indications of how in sync the clocks are and where you should be?
If you look at most of biology is about what a gene or molecule does, but most things that relate to health and disease or longevity is about timing.